You did a journey intensive. You didn't come to it because you wanted to heal. You just came to it for whatever was your reason at the time. It's interesting because I think we all have our various reasons for coming to this workshop. And in my case, I was just setting out as a homeopath. I wanted to learn some additional tools. And it wasn't until I was right in it, in the middle of it, I realized how much I needed that work. I only came because I wanted it for my clients, didn't think if this silliness of I'm okay, everything's all right with me. And I absolutely realized how much I needed this work. And this is really where my journey began. And in looking back, I didn't realize how low I was at that point, how I was running on the edge of depression, but I just kept keeping myself busy. I guess wouldn't have taken much longer to take me to the point of burnout. And by clearing some of the stuff that I carried with me.